Yamaha 1984 500cc. This is a beautiful bike. Unbelievable, 15,000 miles on her. And just really looking good. There's a clock showing what's there. Compression release already been set up, and we moved the compression over to top dead center, so it's showing here on that little mark. Here's our choke. I've got it down at full choke. This is a cold start. It's not been run in 5, maybe 6 months. So we're going to take a chance here and see what it does. It does have a fresh battery, so we know we're in good shape with it. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so pardon the airplane, it's going to go across. Just a nice looking rig. I'm going to give the camera to my good buddy. I'm going to climb aboard. Here's our fuel. The way to start this bike is to put it up into prime like that, and we have a full choke. He says no throttle. It's at top dead center, ready to fire. Top dead center. No gas. Top dead center again, no fuel, everything's on.